Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you how you can easily enable call recording on your iPhone. Dear friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes and please write comments. So let us proceed with you friends to our topic. First, I want to say that this is a fairly recent feature like call recording on iPhone, and it appeared after updating iPhone to iOS 18.0. So first of all, I recommend you to check what version of iOS you have on your iPhone, and if it is older, update. To do this, go into Settings, then General, and System Update. See, if you have a system update of iOS 18.1 or higher, you'll get the same page as I did. If not, you will be prompted to update to the latest version, and you will be required to do so. When you update your iPhone to iOS 18.1 and above, then next you can safely go and make call recordings on your iPhone. For this, you will need to open the Calls app. Next, you will need to select some contact from your contacts. After that, you just dial that person, call them. And the next thing you will need to do is when you call the person, or let's say someone calls you, and you pick up the phone to start recording the conversation. On the top left, you will see a sign. There will only be one, and you will need to click on it. This is how you will turn on and start recording calls. But keep in mind that unlike Android and iPhone, there is an additional option that when you enable call recording, then the person you are talking to gets a warning that you have enabled call recording. The same thing will happen when someone is recording a conversation with you. You will get the same alert. The call recording ends when you either click on this function again on the top left or end the conversation. To find such a call recording, you will have to, friends, open Notes. After that, just scroll through your notes and see if there's a call recording in there. And you'll find it there, I'm sure. Then you can turn it on, listen to something like cut it out, delete it, and so on. This is the method you can easily and quickly enable call recordings on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful, that it helped you. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and see you soon.